Welcome everyone. This presentation is working out what subjects your student will be doing in maths moving into year 10. If you have any questions or any things you're not sure about, make a note of them during the presentation and email me on the address that you see on the screen. So the first subject I'm going to talk about is essential mathematics. Essential mathematics suits the students who have C's or D's or E's in year 9. From year 10 through to year 12, each unit the student will do a PSMT, which is an assignment and an exam. They will be equally weighted and they will be in each semester through the 3 years of senior. There is no external exam in year 12. Then there is general mathematics. General mathematics is for students who have a B- or higher in year 9 and do not want to do methods in year 11 or 12. In year 12, there are 4 assessment items. There's a PSMT or an assignment, which is worth 20%. There are 2 internal exams worth 15% each. And unlike essential mathematics, there is an external exam of 50%. General mathematics is an academic subject which requires time commitment outside class. So 3 to 5 hours, not including homework, per week. And that will fluctuate from week to week. And then we move on to mathematical methods. So mathematical methods is for a student who has an A- or higher in year 9. Once again, it is very similar to to general mathematics. So in year 12, there are 4 assessment items. The assignment, the PSMT, which is worth 20%, 2 15% internal exams. Internal meaning they are written by the school, they are endorsed, and the school presents them to the students and is marked by the school. And at the end of year 12, there is an external exam of 50%, which is set outside the school and is marked also outside the school. So once again, this is an academic subject, and depending on the young person, there will be a considerable amount of time spent outside the class working on the subject. So 3 to 5 hours is a rough estimate. And then there's specialist mathematics. Now, for most people listening, this won't necessarily be an option. The classes are usually pretty small, and they're for a student who really enjoys mathematics and is very good at it. If they choose specialist mathematics, they also have to do methods. So that's 12 lessons a week. So you really have to be very committed to maths and enjoy maths to do specialist. So for most people watching this and listening to this, they're really looking at essential mathematics, general, and methods. So once again, in year 12, there's 4 assessment items. There's the assignment, 20%, 2 internal exams, 15% each, and the external exam, 50%. So once again, this subject requires quite a serious amount of time outside the classroom. So just as a little bit of revision. So there are 4 subject offerings moving into Year 10. Essential Mathematics, General, Methods, and Specialist. Now, Essential Mathematics is a non-ATAR subject, so it's an applied subject. General, Methods, and Specialists are all general subjects, which means that they go towards your ATAR. Now, if you have a look at this slide, you can see that there are certain prerequisites. Now, the prerequisites are a guide. So it is perfectly appropriate if a young person is very close to that prerequisite, that a parent or guardian just needs to email me, and the student will be allowed to enter that subject or be enrolled in that subject for Year 10. So just repeating that, the 4 subjects there. So Essential is an applied subject. General, Methods, and Specialists are all general subjects, and they go towards an ATAR score. The prerequisites are guides. So if your student is close to one of those cutoffs and still wants to do the subject, the only requirement is an email or a phone call to me, just to say that you would like your student to be enrolled in General, Methods, or Specialists for next year. Now, maths is a little bit difficult sometimes to choose. So if maths is my weakest subject, now these are some options. This is only advice. If I'm really weak at maths, I'm going to make sure, if I want an ATAR and I want my best ATAR, that I would choose 5 general subjects with Essential Mathematics. Now that means I can still use my 5 general subjects to get my ATAR, which means I can maximize my ATAR. The only thing that you need to look into is the prerequisites for university. So if general maths is required for a prerequisite, then that would be a subject that you would have to do. It is also appropriate if a young person chooses 4 general subjects with Essential Mathematics. So just to go back over that again, if maths is your weakest subject and you want to maximize an ATAR, you really want to do 5 general subjects with Essential Mathematics. And it is also appropriate to do 4 general subjects with Essential Mathematics. So I've talked about a lot of things. Please feel free to email me or contact me by phone if you have individual questions that you need answered that is appropriate for your student and you need to find out more information. So there is my email address. Please feel free to contact me if you are unsure about anything that has been said. You should have received in the last couple of weeks an email from me which had a PowerPoint very similar to the one that I've just presented, and a booklet which outlines the different subjects for mathematics. If you need further information regarding choices and movements of students into particular career paths, then you should contact the guidance officer, Damien Hepburn. I appreciate your time, and please please feel free to contact me with any questions that you are not clear about. So this will be recorded and put up on the school website if you need to go back over it. So thank you again for your time. And just remember, always feel free to contact. Thank you.